this lesson you will learn 7 new words. Number 1, zont, an umbrella. Zont. Number 2, stol, a table. Stol. Number 3, stool, a chair. Stool. Number 4, rучка, a pen. Rúchka. Rúchka. Number 5, карандAш, a pencil. ка-ран-ДАш. карандAsh. Number 6, деньги, money. Деньги. Деньги. Number 7, журнал, a magazine. Журнал. Журнал. Look at the pictures and say the things. Picture number 1. Picture number 1, карандAsh. Picture number 2. Picture number 2, ручка. Picture number 3. Picture number 3, журнал. Picture number 4. Picture number 4, zont. Picture number 5. Picture number 5, stool. Picture number 6. Picture number 6, деньги. Picture number 7. Picture number 7, stol. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.